Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So recently I came across a recipe for curd upuma which I wanted to try. So today's video is all about that. This came out really well and tasted yummy. So the ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and also like, share and comment. So let's move right in. So in here I've got some curd, some salt to taste and some green chilli paste. I'm going to add the salt and the green chilli paste to the curd. Now we'll pour in some water. This is normal room temperature water. We'll mix all these ingredients together. Once mixed, you can keep this aside. Now in a kadai, I've heated some oil and then added some peanuts into it and roasted it nicely. Now I'm going to add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, and let it splutter. Once it splutters, I'm adding in the curry leaves. Now in goes the finely chopped onions. Now we'll saute the onions for a few minutes. Once the onions are sauteed till translucent, I'm adding in the rava or semolina. Now we'll roast the rava for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. So the rava has been nicely roasted for 3 to 4 minutes and it is ready. Now we take the curd mixture and pour it into it little by little and keep mixing the rava to make sure there are no lumps. Make sure you mix it well so no lumps form. Now I'm adding some chopped coriander leaves here. So we'll cover and cook this on medium heat until all the water is absorbed by the rava. So the rava has soaked in all the water and the upma has started leaving the pan. So it's ready now. I'm just mixing it all well, and now this is ready to be served hot. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.